How to do ghusl. Sometimes it can be hard to figure out what people mean when they say that Islam is a way of life. But when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not only tells us what is right and wrong and how we should spend our lives, but also tells us how to interact with people, deal with politics, handle our money, and carry ourselves as servants. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala especially puts emphasis on cleanliness and has even provided us with ghusl, the method for properly cleaning ourselves to ensure we do it correctly. Ghusl is a full body cleaning that has to be done after any acts of major impurities. In today's video, we will be focusing on the form of ghusl needed to be taken by a woman every month after their menstrual cycle has just finished. Aisha radhiyallahu an narrated, "The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, 'Give up the prayer, and when your menses begin and when it has finished, wash the blood off your body, take a bath, and start praying.'" Many schools of thought have different ways of performing ghusl, but this video will explain the common steps agreed upon by most. Fard for ghusl, according to the Hanafi fiqh. Niyah, washing the private parts, wetting the whole body including the scalp, nose, and mouth. Sunnah for ghusl, washing hands up to wrist, making wudu before washing body. Pour water overhead 3 times. Pouring water over right side 3 times. Pouring water over left side 3 times. Sunnah for Hanafi, intention of washing unseen filth. Try not to talk during it. Passing water over body. Sunnah for Shafi, intention of washing unseen filth. Passing water over body. Put water over left and right shoulder 3 times. Rules for ghusl, should be made in a private place. Don't face Qibla while performing ghusl. Don't skimp on the water usage. Don't read any ayat. Remove any jewelry. Remove nail polish. Procedure for ghusl. Wash both hands and wrists. Wash privates. Wash any visible filth. Perform the rest of your wudu. Make sure all of your hair is wet unless it's braided hair. Preferred to rub when washing. Dry and dress yourself immediately. If you forgot a step, don't repeat the whole ghusl. Wash that part of the body only. Ghusl is a fard that you should remember to do after events like your period so that you can pray again. Ghusl is simple to do and doesn't take that much time. Never feel discouraged to do ghusl. If you forget how to do it, you can always refer back to this video.